Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is time for my new releases for August, and I literally finished cutting these stickers 5 minutes ago and I'm putting this video out on Thursday morning, so I'm filming this Wednesday evening. Just to say that I cannot believe it is my shop's 2-year anniversary coming up on the 14th of August, and I'm just amazed at how much support my shop has received over the last couple of years. So let's get straight into the new releases. Firstly, I want to show you the freebie for the month of August. It is on white matte sticker paper, and you get 4 deco. So you get, does that look familiar? The pen case, you get the pen rest that looks like a nib, which is modeled off that. You get the journal and then a little fountain pen ink pot, and then you have the 2 mini icons and then a to-do script, and then you have 2 circles and some swatches. I forgot what they were called. So every order in August will receive one of these. Now the first collection is, I'm really happy with these. These are basically modeled off of, you know, partly my collection, but partly pens that I would like to have in my collection. So this is the journaling set, and they come as white matte or clear matte sticker paper, and you can either order this as a set of 4 sticker sheets or order them as a, oh gosh, can't speak, order them a la carte, so individually. So you have the deco sheet. All of these are hand drawn by me. And then you have the journaling swatches to match the colors that are on the page. And then you have the journaling circles, again, to make it look like it's a watercolor. And it's a really cool effect with the clear matte sticker paper. And then you have the quote and washi. So you get tinier versions of the deco, and then I put it together as washi, and I really love that. So that is the journaling sticker set. The next collection is the Happy Mail collection. Again, comes on either white matte or clear matte sticker paper, and comes as either a collection of 4, or you can purchase these individually. So the first is the deco sheet with a package and a couple of letters, as well as a gift tag and what would be a stamp. And then you have the matching swatches. I love using these for headers as well as really tiny deco as well. And then you have the circles. I love using the circles in my daily journaling, but also just for decoration. It's a great way to add a little bit of interest to the spread without having too much deco. I mean, when I say deco, I mean, oh, how do I say this? Actual pictures versus just a shape. And then you have the Happy Mail quote and washi. So you've got smaller versions of the deco, a quote, and then the washi as well. Love that. So that is the Happy Mail collection. Next is a collection that was suggested by Lisa Marie. She said that I should draw Lucy, and I totally did. Okay, I have to say, this is what Lucy would look like if she actually smiled. She doesn't smile. She is a funny dog that way. So like all the collections, you get 4 sheets in the collection you can purchase all together or individually. And you have the deco. Just how cute is she? How cute is she? And then you have the matching swatches. I like these because these are quite neutral as well, and you have no idea how hard it is to draw a white dog. And then circles, and then the quote and washi. So smaller versions of Lucy with the quote, and then little tiny Lucy's as the washi. So that is the Lucy collection. Next we have the Hydrangea collection, and I'm going to show you the original painting. So every month I try to do a fountain pen ink painting for florals, and then I make that into a sticker. So I painted this actually on Tomoe River paper, and then I put it into these stickers. So you've got the hydrangea. I love the colors, and on the sticker sheet the green looks a little bit more yellow, but the blues and the purples come out pretty perfectly. And then you have the swatches. I love how the blue and like the purple look almost shiny. I love that. And then you have the circles, and then the quote and washi. So those are the hydrangea stickers. Last but not least, I have been working on these floral alphabet, and I've had this as an idea in my head for quite a few months now, but I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to pull it off. And then inspiration hit me that I thought this is a great way to feature all of the florals that I've painted, minus the hydrangea, but all the florals that I've painted so far, and put them all into a letter. So this sticker is, the sticker sheet is 3.5 by 4.5. And let me grab my Hobonichi here. So there's my Hobonichi cousin. Oh, I'm shaking, sorry. And let's find a blank page so you can basically see what this is going to look like. You don't want to see all my packages, but you can see how big that sticker is going to be on an A5 Hobonichi cousin. So I could certainly see myself putting this on the front cover of a notebook. I absolutely love that. So you can order this as clear matte or white matte, and I'll show you quickly what all of these stickers look like. So you've got the letter A. This will also test my knowledge of the alphabet. A, B, oops, there we go. And I used the same floral background in all of them, but adjusted the positioning in them so that every portion of the letter would be filled. And I'm also thinking in the future maybe doing this as black and white as well. I love the K. Then you got the L, M. The M is pretty big and took up most of the sticker sheet. It's probably the biggest sticker. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. I'm like, wasn't W next? W had to be a little bit smaller in height because of how wide it was. And X, Y, and Z. So those are the floral alphabet. I finished filming and I forgot 3 stickers that I am including in my new release. So I ordered 3 vinyl stickers. So this is removable or repositionable vinyl stickers. One with the Never Too Much Ink with my favorite dusty pink ink splatter, and then Can't Keep My Plants to Myself, and this quote. I love this quote. I came, I saw, I made it awkward. So these are vinyl, and just putting that out there. And you can put them on your water bottle. They're repositionable, they are waterproof, and these will also go on sale during my anniversary release. So there are all of the new collections featured in August for my 2-year anniversary sale. These will be released on Friday, August 4th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the word anniversary to get 20% off until Monday. What date is that? August 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. So we're getting a 3-day weekend here, and I'm gonna give you guys 4 whole days to use this 20% off code. And then I will actually be closing the shop as of Thursday, August 10th, because I will be on vacation from August 11th through to the 18th. So the shop will be on vacation during that time, and then I'll reopen on the 19th. Let me know what you guys think of this release. I'm really proud of it, and I also want to compare it to some of the stickers that I had in my very initial release. Just a bit of a flashback. These were some of the first stickers I released 2 years ago, and even the sticker, like the design on the paper, looks different. I went from doing just brush lettering to now all of this, and I can't believe that I'm still here as a sticker shop 2 years later. So thank you so much for everybody's support. Your support has helped my family go on a couple of vacations. You've helped pay for things like Robin's skiing lessons, Henry's Ninja, which I feature in my plan with me all the time. You've helped me take a year off in paying off a loan or line of credit. It would have taken me until about 2025 to pay that off, but with your help and your support of my shop, I will be paying that loan off in October of this year. So just letting you guys know the impact that you guys have on a small sticker shop like mine. Oh, I'm not gonna cry. Not gonna cry. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you again so much for watching. Let me know what is your favorite down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again and have yourselves a great day.